welcome back to my channel. It's Ray. I just wanted to get on real quick today and share with you some new products that I got in. They're new to me. They've been out a while, but I had never tried them, so I thought that I'd order some. I ordered the Curls Dynasty products, and this is a Black-owned company, which is great. I like to support Black-owned companies anytime that I can. So I finally got my hands on some of their products, and I just wanted to go over what I got from them. So the first item that I got was the Curls Dynasty Cocoa Mint Moisture Rich Shampoo. And this shampoo says it is moisturizing and purifying. It's for all hair types. It works great for very dry, thick, kinky textures in need of moisture. That sounds like me. Also, it has aloe, shea, natural oils, and vitamins in it. So I am really interested in trying this product and hope that it works well for my hair, because I do have thick, kinky, curly hair and it tends to be dry. So I got that. The next product that I got was the Give Me Slip Blast Hydration Conditioner. And this looks like it's a 3-in-1. So you could use it as a co-wash, a conditioner, and a detangler. It is a gentle cleanser. It's powerful. It's a powerful moisturizer that hydrates and softens. It also melts away knots for easy detangling. It promotes manageability, healthier hair growth and retention, and it's for all hair types. It works great for dry hair in need of an oil-free moisture and hydration. That's me, because as you know, I'm low porosity, so oils don't work really well on my hair. It's okay if I'm doing the LCO method sometimes, but I kind of quit putting the O at the end just because I feel like a lot of my products have oils in them. So if I just do a leave-in and a cream, I'm pretty much good to go. But oils do not work well as a scrunch out the crunch, or you know, if you're trying to get some extra shine on your hair or anything like that. It just sits on top of my hair. It doesn't penetrate my hair strands because I'm low porosity. So so this is going to be really good if it is a good moisturizer and gives a lot of hydration without the oils. And it says it has superb detangling benefits. So this is great. This is a 3-in-1. If it can do all of that and do it all well, this is a good bang for your buck. If it's really good, I'm probably going to use this not so much as a detangler. I'll use a cheaper conditioner for that, but I definitely will use it as a conditioner, and I probably would use it as a co-wash if it's really good, and if I feel like the shampoo may be a little bit more stripping than I want it to be. But based on what it says, I don't think it will be. But you know, I shampoo and then I co-wash. I shampoo and I co-wash. I don't normally shampoo every week. So the next thing I got is the Curls Dynasty Kalahari Smoothie Leave-In. Now, I've been hearing a lot about this on different YouTube channels. Everybody swears by this leave-in. I haven't heard a lot about the other two products, but I've heard a lot about this leave-in, so I'm really excited to try it. And this says it's a powerful moisturizer. It hydrates and softens. It melts away knots for easy detangling, promotes manageability, healthier hair growth and retention. It's for all hair types as well. And it's great for porous, curly, kinky, very dry hair types in need of hydration. So this is for all hair types too. So whether you're low porosity, high porosity, low density, high density, it sounds like that this would be good for you. All of these look like they have aloe juice in them. I did see glycerin in, I believe it was the conditioner. Yes, the conditioner does have glycerin in it. And I don't see anything in the shampoo, but I do want to point out that the shampoo has no sulfates, parabens, or surfactants in it. So this Leave-in has no sulfates, parabens, or surfactants. So all of them say the same thing. So can't wait to try that. And then I think I have 2 more products here. The next thing I have is the Pumpkin Mint Deep Treatment Deep Conditioning Mask. It looks like this. And it infuses and restores moisture. It grows and helps retain length. It adds softness, shine, and manageability. Strengthens weak hair. And prevents breakage. It's for all hair types as well, and it's also free of sulfates, parabens, and surfactants. It's great for strengthening natural, relaxed, and transitioning dry, damaged, overly porous hair types. So it looks like she caters to everyone. So we'll see how that works out, because I love a good deep conditioner. And then the last but not least, I got the Vanilla Cream Custard. It's the curl defining cream. So I opted for this versus, I believe they have like a twisting cream, and because I do more wash and goes than I do twist outs, I just went for this one. So, and it's a custard. I do like a lot of custards in my hair. So, and it is a little bit of a thicker custard, kind of what I'm used to. Very similar to the Obia Naturals that I really love. However, I believe that one may be just a little bit thicker. This seems like it thins out a little bit more than that one does. So hopefully, and it smells good. Hopefully this is a great custard and works well for my hair. So this is supposed to give you a strong hold. We'll see. Provides definition, shine, bounce, and softness. Minimizes tangles and breakage. No crunch and no flakes. That's saying a lot. Strong hold with no crunch and no flakes is saying a lot. So if this performs, this is going to be great, and it's wonderful for all curl patterns. So whether you have thick, coarse curls like mine, or looser curls, thinner, looser curls, it says it's good for all curl patterns. So we will let you know. I am going to be doing a review on these products very soon, so be on the lookout for that. I can't wait to try them. And if you all have tried these products and you like them, please leave in the comment section below which ones you have, which ones you've tried, what you love about them. Just share with me some of your combos that you use, so I can get the best use out of the products when I try them out. And the other thing I wanted to say, if in case you were wondering, this day is the second day here on the Wash and Go combo that I did using the Talia Wajid Curl Cream and the Wetline Extreme Gel. It is the OG combo from Only One Jess. Shout out to Only One Jess on YouTube. So far so good. It still has curl definition. I like it. It's still soft. So just wanted to share that with you in case you were wondering. So that's about it for this video. If you like this content and you like my channel, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell so you'll be notified of my next upload. And until next time, thanks for watching.